Hey, this is the Bad Razz channel coming to you with installation. From the start, I am trying to break out Bad Razz in 2020, the end of the year, if not early 2021, and I'm doing some work on it. I'm doing some different things cosmetically, just to change a little bit of look of Bad Razz, but I want to break out Bad Razz sometime soon. So, as you can see, you got my headlights and my fog lamps, but I have halogens on there, and I'm going to install the new LED lights. I ordered them from vintagecarleds.com, and as you can see right here, this is the kit, and I will be installing it in Bad Razz. So this is the before, which you can see with the headlights, and on the other video I showed you what the headlight looks before, and I want to install it, and then I want to do a after video. So just keeping you updated on the status of working on Bad Razz. Again, this is Stan the Man, and see you on the next video. Hey to all you VW fans, this is the Bad Razz channel coming to you with the after install of the LED lights on Bad Razz. So this is what it looks like. Definitely looks brighter. The install was pretty simple, but this is one of the changes that I'm doing to the bug. I just wanted brighter lights, and I also do have the fog lamps. But when Bad Razz comes out, you're going to see some changes, different things here and there, and I will slowly show you what I've been doing to the car. So just wanted to update you on the LED lights. Thank you for watching.